The cosine function C++ takes the mathematical cosine of a given angle in radians. Cosine is in the C math header file. Let's #include CMath. We will also want to print our answer, so #include IOStream, as well as doing using namespace std. Finally, we're working with trig, so we'll want pi, don't we all? #define pi equals 3.1415925. Cosine returns double, so our answer will be double ants equals cosine of pi on 2. Next, we'll print our answer. Put to cout our answer, and put to our answer the end line. If we run this code, you'll see cosine of pi on 2 equals 0. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.